Hello everyone. On today's episode, I'll be showing you how to make a creamy garden-based spaghetti over some herbal breaded chicken. But first, let's say hi to the boys. Now let's cut up some red bell peppers and set to the side. Cut some shallots and set to the side. And let's cut a whole top of a garlic. Let's place it all in a baking pan. Add some grape tomatoes in the pan. Add a little salt, some pepper, and a generous amount of olive oil. Looking good. Place in the oven at 400 degrees until cooked. Now we're going to make our own breadcrumbs with some Italian bread, some parsley, rosemary, thyme, a little bit of Parmesan cheese, some garlic salt, and a little bit of olive oil. Time for a cat break. Now let's bread that chicken breast. Crack some eggs, put it in a bowl. Add a little bit of pepper to the eggs. Add some garlic powder, some onion powder, and some smoked paprika in the flour. And mix well. Add some Dijon Mustard to the eggs and mix it well. Now let's bread the chicken. Flour, egg, bread. In that order. It's looking good already. Now let's fry your chicken at medium heat until both sides are nice and golden brown. Looking good. Once your garden mix is cooked through, now it's time to blend it. This adds such a unique taste to the sauce. Now add a generous amount of basil, cream cheese, sour cream, some pepper, Parmesan cheese, and some chicken stock, and blend well. Once sauce is thickened, it's ready. Melt 2 tablespoons of butter and mix your spaghetti well. Add a little bit of yellow mustard and mix well. Now add your sauce and mix it nice and well. Garnish with some parsley and some Parmesan. Now it's time to plate everything up. This dish looks beautiful. It came out so delicious. Almost looks like it came straight from a fancy restaurant. Okay, it's time to find out what my wife thinks, but first, let's see if Milo approves. I think he approves.
What's this tonight?
Call it a creamy garden spaghetti.
Creamy garden spaghetti.
Yeah, it's made with some herbs, bell peppers, tomatoes.
Try the chicken first.
It's like a herbal.
Tender.
Yeah,
Delicious.
it's a herbal chicken.
I see you, husband. I'm gonna give you a 10.
Really?
10 on that. Mm-hmm.
Wow, was not expecting that high of a score.
Yeah. Well, because first of all, I saw the ingredients that you got. And you made your own, like, the work that you put into it and everything, like, delicious. Really good.
Oh, I'm glad you like it.